Are Amazon's affiliate programs, the Amazon Influencer and Amazon Associate programs dead and not worth the effort today? In this video, I'll share 3 powerful reasons nobody mentions that clearly explain why people are now failing with these programs and exactly how to fix it. My name is Gabrielle, and on my channel, I teach you how to make money online passively so you can have time to enjoy your family. Guess what? Amazon is paying my bills, and I continue making thousands of dollars online, and I'm not even trying hard enough. Amazon affiliate marketing is one of my most successful income sources, and I don't sell any physical products whatsoever. That's right, I don't do Amazon FBA. I'm not an Amazon seller, yet Amazon pays my bills every month, including my car payment. My main income sources through Amazon are KDP self-publishing and the Amazon Influencer and Associate programs. Today, we're focusing on these last 2 and why some people think these programs are dying, especially the Amazon Influencer program. Here's how they work. You create reviews for products that other people or companies sell on Amazon, and you earn a commission every time somebody purchases after clicking your links or watching your reviews. I talk more about this in an old video if you want to check it out. I've been buying products on Amazon for over a decade, so I already have tons of stuff to review in my home. I don't even have to buy products just to review them. Had I known this earlier, I would have started sooner. However, there are people with hundreds or even thousands of video reviews who started out earning lots of money, but now only make $50 to $200 every month. Some people say these programs are saturated. Others have no clue what's wrong, so they keep pumping out videos and reviews trying to increase their income to no avail. They get a small spike, then their income drops back down. Yet mine continues to increase when I add videos, and honestly, I'm not even trying hard enough. I should be reviewing more products. I don't even have 100 video reviews yet, and Amazon is paying my bills. My income through Amazon stays pretty steady every month and continues to increase when I add videos. The reason their income through the Amazon Influencer and Associate programs isn't working is simple. 1. They are not producing high-quality videos. If you make a video on the fly of yourself talking with a product without mentioning anything special that solves the potential buyer's questions like durability, ease of use, seeing it in action, and without good lighting or video quality, and without focusing on the product instead of yourself, people won't engage with your videos. Then Amazon will notice that and take your video down from the carousels. So if you had 1,000 videos, maybe only 100 will actually get sales. You literally just wasted your time creating all those videos. That video portfolio is just clutter and trash, not timeless. 2. They upload videos and forget about them. Sometimes the products you review are no longer available on Amazon. You may get commissions at first, but when that seller quits or the product goes out of stock, your video or links are dead in the water. So if you uploaded thousands of reviews, but only 50 or 100 products are still available, your commissions will significantly decrease. To fix this, monitor every now and then whether the product you reviewed is still available. This is easy and fairly quick to do, and I do it once a month. You can update the link to another seller's product that's the same as the one you reviewed. Just make sure it's not a completely different product. That wouldn't be ethical, and your video review will be taken down or rejected by Amazon. But what if you reviewed a product mentioning the exact brand? In that case, you'll need to edit your video to remove the brand mention and upload it again so you can link it to a different seller's product. I learned this the hard way. And no, this isn't unethical. Most FBA sellers get their products from the same supplier and attach their brand name to the same items. What I do now is create reviews without mentioning specific generic brands to avoid that extra work later. I can quickly update my links to keep my reviews alive. Of course, if you reviewed something from a major brand like KitchenAid or Sony, you can't use this strategy. And number 3, they're leaving money on the table by not posting their reviews elsewhere. You can't rely on just posting your reviews on Amazon as an influencer. You should also take advantage of search platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, and Google to post your content, so that people who are not on Amazon but are actively searching to buy things can find your reviews. Amazon loves this because you're bringing them new clients. It only takes a few minutes to take this extra step, and it will bring you lots of extra commissions. You can create a YouTube channel with your reviews and link to the Amazon products. You can create a blog and promote your blog links through Pinterest. And hey, don't post your Amazon links directly on Pinterest because it will get your account banned. You have to send people to your blog review, which includes your YouTube video and the affiliate links to Amazon. I learned this the hard way, and it annoys me because Pinterest actually has an option to directly tag Amazon products on each pin, but somehow they hate that. Why do they even offer that option if they hate it? It doesn't make any sense. But anyways, done right, posting your reviews on YouTube and through a blog promoted by Pinterest pins is an awesome way to increase your Amazon income. So these are the 3 main reasons why thousands of videos are giving people less than $200 a month in commissions. I've seen so many Amazon influencers on YouTube who claimed early success, only to now be crying because their gazillion videos and associate links only bring them $100 every month or less. They wasted precious time creating low-quality videos that gave them early wins, but no real consistent income. Quality matters. I am glad I started off on the right foot as an Amazon influencer and associate. Sadly, I'm a perfectionist, which some people say is a bad thing, and that's caused me to have fewer than 100 video reviews. But the advantage is that all my videos are the highest quality. They have good video quality, good lighting, they focus on the product's features and benefits, and they're 1 minute long tops. For shoppers, this is gold. They want their questions answered fast while looking at the product being used. If you accomplish this, they buy and you get paid. There are more ways to increase your Amazon income, and I'm going more in depth on how to do so through Amazon in my upcoming course called Amazon Income Blueprint. I've placed a link in the description below if you want to join the waitlist and get a free PDF while you're at it. There, I also teach how to earn money online through Amazon KDP, which is my other Amazon income stream. They say there's no such thing as passive income because you do have to do the work up front. But the advantage is that it becomes passive. Every day, you plant seeds for your money trees, and once they bloom, it's smooth sailing. You just sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You're not wasting time. Normal work at jobs does not compound. You stop working and your income stops. With passive income building, your work compounds. When you stop or take a break, their income keeps flowing and you have free time to truly enjoy life and spend time with your family. So if you're interested in this kind of information, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my next video.